Thank you again for your participation in the EPICS design reviews. Please go through the design documents of the different projects of the teams you will be reviewing. Please complete a separate evaluation form for each of the different projects on a team. It will be provided to you if you are in person. Once completed, they should be given to the teaching assistant or advisor or returned to the boxes in the presentation rooms at the end of the review. If you are virtually present, please fill out your feedback in the forum link provided in the review chat. Feedback is shared with the team to help improve their projects and design and communication skills. The team should identify the type of review they will conduct with their project. A project review is typically done in the first semester of a project. Teams should have completed a project charter which identifies the need and stakeholders of the project. The team should be working on or completing project specifications and have considered some conceptual designs. A design review is conducted from the first semester of the project until it is ready for delivery. Teams should focus on the work completed since the last design review. A delivery review is conducted in the semester that the project is to be delivered. As a reviewer, please give feedback on whether you feel the project is ready to be delivered. The final approval for delivery is made by the EPICS advisors and administrators. Your review is advisory in nature only and does not imply any liability on your part. Please rate the overall quality of the design or concept given its stage in the design process. Please comment on any issues relevant to the design or concept quality. The questions provide prompts for the types of issues that might be addressed in the comments. Please note that many of the projects that you will be evaluating are not completed, so your assessment of the items related to project quality should indicate whether the design is progressing appropriately, on track, to achieve a quality solution in the area being evaluated. If you have concerns about the approach that is being pursued, then the item would not be on track. Likewise, if an area has not been explored in sufficient detail for the current phase of the design, then it would not be on track. Please note that your assessment of the safety ideas is not to be considered a professional and thorough evaluation of the safety, but one opportunity to identify potential safety items. Please rate and provide comments on the project team's demonstration of the design process as appropriate for the current design phase and the decision-making processes of the team. Please rate and provide comments on the designer's ability to explain the project and answer questions. Did they provide sufficient information on the context and the scope of the project? Were they able to address questions appropriately? Please rate the quality of both the written design review documentation and the presentation. Please comment on any issues related to completeness, effectiveness, and/or clarity. Comments provide very valuable feedback. If there is anything you want the team to know and do not want to say out loud, such as rhetorical questions for future consideration, please feel free to put your comments there. For in-person evaluation forms, please check the box if you have provided comments on the back of the page. If you have any more questions, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you so much for choosing to be a part of the EPICS design review. We appreciate your time and patience.